So we've demoted Human Owen below Dog Owen because he got some bloke on some two-way talking about how his day was instead of me doing this audio. So he didn't have this little piece on properly. So anyway, the rank order goes like this: Human Owen, Dog Owen, myself and V. We'll put V up top because she does a lot of the work. So yeah, that's it. And then Boots is above you as well at this stage. So, and the old L plater, it's about to crash, but we've got a chopper. That's all right. Owen probably doesn't have the audio on, so he won't be catching any of this anyway. But anyway, we're here, and we're here to talk about my lawn and how bad it's been, and what I need to do to get this back up and running and get this looking very nice, because we're sorting the shed out inside. Now we've got to do the outside here. So we're going to go speak to some professionals. So let's go and see those guys now. All right, guys, as you saw, we need some serious help with the lawn outside. The front of the shed meeting the apron there, it's full of weeds. So Akers of Lawn have contacted us and said they're going to give us a hand with what I need. So we're going in here today and we're going to check out what I need and what grass, because yeah, it's an absolute shit show at home, and these guys are going to help us out. So let's go in and check them out. Brad, how you going, mate?
Charlie, how are you, man?
Good, mate. What's going on?
Busy, man.
Yeah, that's it.
Family business, so we're always flat out.
Well, that's it. SA, we love supporting SA businesses. So tell us, mate, how long you guys been operating for?
Well, Dad and Mum, of course, they started in the late 70s, but didn't become Akers of Lawn until 1986. So
yeah, right. Wow.
Up to 40 years next year.
Oh, that's unreal. Well, obviously you don't just do turf. You've got a heap of products in here. Like, what's the main thing that we're doing? Obviously turf, probably, but
yeah, absolutely. So anything in terms of herbicides, pesticides, insecticides, help your worms with lots of organics. We love our organic kelp and anything to put the goodness back into the soil.
All right, Brad. Now you got a heap of pavers, some sand, and some AstroTurf.
Yeah, good word, AstroTurf.
Is that what it is, or what?
Yeah, it works. So AstroTurf was the real short pile. Like down here, cricket wicket, whatever you need.
Yeah.
A little bit of golf putt. You go through to your range, which is 30 to 40 mil. So this one here is quite nice. It's called Prestige. It's all Titan turf. It's all Australian made. Brilliant applications for no sun, around a pool, or if your dog is just completely nuts.
Yeah, okay. Well, maybe I should have thought about that. But this would be perfect because I've got like a little chipping, it's about a 100-metre hole that I've made at home. So I'm using carpet as my tee box. So maybe a bit of this stuff would be real nice.
Absolutely. The larger rocks are 65 mil, and obviously good old compacted dolomite, yankomite if you just want a path. Yankstone as a top coat. So, and a few different varieties of pavers.
Let's go have a look at the factory and see what else they got, hey?
We've got a kids' room in there.
Kids' room? Owen, you can go in there in a bit, if you're good.
Never too much play.
Yeah.
Older you get. But yeah, we're trying to just build this and grow product.
Yeah, right.
So we want to get in and do some local stuff.
Yeah, cool.
I'm really about sustainability, so I want to go carbon and everything organic
absolutely.
that we can.
The way the world's going at the minute, isn't it?
Yeah, well, they're blaming the algal bloom on phosphorus and nitrogen leaching. So and only 35% of fertiliser is actually taken up by the plant. Okay. So where does the other 65% go? It either goes down into the waterways or becomes volatile and comes up.
Yeah, right, okay.
37 tonnes of marine life they fished off Glenelg Brighton Beach. They just got loaders in there and just cleaned up 37 tonnes. Yeah, right. You have to think about it.
Have to.
It's your impact.
Yeah.
It's your carbon footprint, but it's every one of us have to think about our place in this world.
Yeah, absolutely.
It'll be here for a lot longer if we look after it.
That's the go. Now, what do we got over here?
All right, so this is our beautiful organic kelp. That's our divers cut it off and it comes up and they net it up from the surface and bring it out, and then they puree it, you know, get all the bits out of it.
Yeah, right.
Or most of the bits, and we spray that on the lawn. And it's wonderful stuff.
That's awesome.
But we've got seeds, we've got other fertilisers, amendments if you need to change your pH.
Someone like me who doesn't know anything about this sort of stuff and is just starting off, what's the process from you guys, basically me coming to you and going, I want this lawn? What's the next steps?
Yeah, we come out and have a look.
Come out and have a look?
It's the ultimate way you understand.
Yep.
You have a look and see what the site's like, how much sun, how much shade, what the water's like.
Yep.
Have a look at the subsoil. Just look, is there any dogs around? What sort of animals?
Yep.
Do we have any alpacas?
There's no alpacas. There's a lot of kangaroos though.
A lot of kangaroo poo.
Yep, a lot of kangaroo poo.
Yes, good stuff. Don't get that on the putting green.
No, definitely not.
A bit of an obstacle.
So then once you come out, that's basically stage one. So stage one, come out, check everything, and then what's the next step?
Yeah, let's work out a program. So what do we need to put back into the soil?
Yep.
We'll do a soil test, spray out what we don't want carefully.
Yep.
Very careful with our spraying. You don't want to overload the soil.
Yep.
So you just spray what you need to spray.
Yep.
A little bit of MCPA if you've got some some weeds, bit of bow and arrow works, and good old Roundup in careful application with the appropriate PPE.
All right. Well, I've got a couple of trees that on one side I have planted 56 latent greens.
Yes.
Some have just absolutely like dominated and they're nearly three meters tall.
Wow.
And then the others I've planted 3 times. 2 have like done the same, gone to 3 meters, and then like the rest have just struggled.
Yeah.
And like 2 more or 3 more have died. So I've got to
Are
pull
they in
them
close
out.
proximity?
They're-
The 3 that have died?
The 3 that died, yeah. So it's basically, a small area. So I'm going to need a soil test on those.
Yeah, definitely.
And so you can help me with that, right?
Absolutely. Start with the pH and we'll work from there.
That's because the other side looks unreal of the fence. You know, like it looks massive. They're taller than me.
Bit of privacy.
Yeah, exactly.
Heaven
That's
forbid.
that's what I want. I need to put a gate on my gate.
Gate on your
Because-
gate.
Gate on my fence because people still drive into my driveway. And if you do it again, I'll kill you. I'll dig a hole. I'm f***ing serious.
And no one will find you.
And that's for the people checking my meter as well. Don't ever drive into my driveway. I don't care if you're allowed to or not. Don't. Anyway, I've been meaning to get that off for a while. That'll be a reel. We're going to cut that into a reel. All right. In my lawn, we've gone out and done all the testing, everything like that. We've done the spraying, done all that. So now what are we doing? We're basically loading everything up
Yep.
and heading out to the property, or?
Yeah, we've got to book it in so we can come out.
Yep.
Bring the machines, excavate it all, clean it up, remove all your
Junk?
all the excess. I'm sure we can find a place on the property for that for you.
Yeah. We'll move it around and
We'll
we'll
move
make
it around.
make a little pump track or something for the 110s, I reckon.
Sounds
Something
good.
like that.
And then bring in a nice lot of organic loam.
Yep.
That's our bread and butter.
Yeah,
We have
cool.
9% organic matter in our soil from the start.
Yep.
A lot of people try and achieve that over time with worms and with seaweed and
right.
kelp. We bring it in straight away. So
amazing.
And that means everything underneath is just humming.
Yeah, cool. All right. Well, there you go. And then, so once it's all laid and everything like that, or talking before that, like you guys come out and check and make sure it's all good, or what's?
Yeah, 3 monthly.
3
Come out,
monthly.
Yeah, and
Yeah, right.
do a soil check. Make sure it's all right. Have a quick chat to you about your mowing and watering. make sure that you're actually
Waving
listening.
the finger at me.
There may be a written report. There may be a little bit of verbal.
Yeah. Well, that's how I like it. If I'm doing
That's how
something
it's
wrong,
done. You
hit
need
me
to be
between
told.
the eyes. You know.
Yeah.
That's how I used to get coached. Ken used to yell at me all the time when I was doing something wrong.
Well,
So-
if it works for you,
it does.
we
You
all-
need to be told.
we're all motivated by different things.
Exactly.
We check that your blades on your mower are nice and sharp. Make sure, because people forget, and they'll run from one paddock to another,
Yep.
and they'll transfer weeds. So
Okay.
clean mower, sharpen your blades,
Shit.
really important.
Yeah, right. Or I'll have a separate mower for that because
Oh, absolutely.
the Kubota's a bit of a slasher, just cuts everything.
It is a ride-on.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want a hand mower.
Yeah.
You've actually got to push it.
It's bullshit. No, I got to go get it back off my brother-in-law then. No, I gave that one away, but no,
We'll get one.
Yeah.
You got a bit of
anyway.
time.
Yeah, I do. We'll be right. Now, what's going on over here? We've got a bag machine of some sort.
We do. So
This is your own.
yeah, this is how we mix all our blends together.
Yep.
Get a lot of it from Pete's and other suppliers.
Yep.
And basically mix it up. We put it into the top. It'll hold a ton, and then
Hold a ton,
this
yeah,
will
right.
actually weigh it out and bag it for us, and then we obviously got a little conveyor belt, and then we stitch it, and away we go. So we stitch the top with you don't get your fingers caught in that.
Yeah, right.
So it'll stitch it up, ready to go.
So we just set the weight on the machine.
Yep.
And stick your foot on the pedal and away it goes.
Bloody hell. That's awesome. Well, there you go. How good's that? All in-house.
All in-house.
Super. That's unreal.
Purely organic, as you can probably smell it. Got a little bit of a waft to it. It gets going, so we put all this in buckets and bags and ship it Australia-wide these days. Our next batch, so 1,000 litres of seaweed ready to go.
1,000 litres of seaweed. Yeah, right.
Ready to rock and roll.
All right, now that was the warehouse. Plenty going on here, but now we've got the fun bit. We're going to go choose some grass now. What do you reckon?
Fantastic.
Let's do it.
Oh,
All right, Brad, we are out here with all the different varieties of lawn. I mean, you've got some over there, and then you've got, what is it, 6 or 7 here. Talk us through. Which one do you think would be best for me?
well, Charlie, for you, we're looking at the Sir Walter DNA Buffalo. That's the great turf variety for sun, for shade, for dogs, maybe
Yes.
kids one day. 100 different reasons. It's a great lawn. It'll handle everything. So Sir Walter Buffalo.
Sir Walter Buffalo. So we'll go over and
Go and
check
have a
this
look.
one out. I do remember that name because I have had this at my old place. And I remember coming home one day and Dog Owen, not Camera Owen, Human Owen, was underneath the turf eating the roots or something.
That's a little unlucky.
But it, like you said, once we fixed it all up, it grew and it was all good. So this is what we're going to be putting it behind the shed and just in front there as well.
We'll keep it constant right around the little L shape. So
Perfect.
it'll handle the sun and the shade. When you put the pizza oven in, it'll handle the wear and tear that end. It'll handle everything on and a reasonably drought tolerant variety. Yeah, you got your cooches, your Bermuda cooches, which are lovely and they look fantastic. A little bit higher maintenance. So Walter's more robust.
4 acres of this would be nice. Be a golf course, right?
One day.
One
we'll
day
work
we'll
on
get
this. Rome was built in a day after all. So one day we'll get it, but there's RoboVacs and there's Robo mowers rather that do fit the build for a large area if you can't be bothered mowing.
Oh, I do love mowing though.
No, it's good. But we'll start with Sir Walter and we'll progress from there.
Absolutely. All right, Brad, thank you very much for showing us everything. I mean, you've opened my eyes to exactly what goes into it. And I'm pretty excited to see what you guys can do. And first off is spraying all the shit I've got at home, right?
We are highly anticipating that. I have a big job.
Yeah.
You said they're knee length, so that's going to be knee high. It'll be interesting.
Yeah, definitely.
You might have to help us out.
I'm going to be on the tools. I'll be getting in the way. Don't you worry about that. I'm super excited. Cannot wait to have you guys come out and start getting this stuff sorted.
Lock it in.
Thank you, mate.
Thanks, man.
Cheers. All right, the lads have arrived and they're straight into it and they're spraying all the weeds that we've got here, which is amazing. We've seen what they've got at the warehouse. Now we're out here and they're spraying all the broadleaf, I think they called it. So they've sprayed around the back already. So what that will do is kill all the broadleaf and then hopefully, and apparently the seaweed stuff that they're spraying is going to make the grass come up and the broadleaf die and go down, which is what you want because have a look at it. It's out of control at the minute. We've got a beautiful day here. So the lads are into it, spraying a heap. Australian made. Mini golf putting, 9mm. We'll just screw this in here. No, we'll just screw it in. Yeah, be perfect. Let me go get. No, well, we'll do more for the rest of it when we do it properly, but this is just for now. Yeah, right there. These are all the screws I could find, so we'll see how they go. Not sure how this will go, but because you might clip the edge of it like that. But lucky I'm a professional. Or used to be at some sort. Just like that. Exactly what I said was going to happen. Get the old carpet back out. I did hit a little bit behind it, but let's just try it without anything in. Car coming. Don't film that one, Owen. Star picket down there with a green flag on it. Just. There's a hole down there. I just want the turf up here. So we do like a little patch. Like hopefully this will get to grass at some stage. All the way up to here, like where it's already sort of filling out, and then mow it down and make it all nice, and we sort of just chip off here. Near enough's good enough, right?
The root system would be like in that. Well, it's rotted a bit. Still a little bit old.
It does.
It's probably going to come out pretty well the same way it went in.
Barely even. So I've replaced, this is the second one of that.
That's not as wet.
Yeah.
So it's definitely getting the overflow here. So a little bit of a natural drain or something wouldn't hurt.
Yeah. Can run something on the inside there.
Yeah,
There's one down here that's dying.
hopefully we transfer some herbicide while we're at it, kill some of these weeds. Grab the electronic probe and see what moisture we've got. You know it's dry already.
Yeah.
We grab the electronic one.
All right guys, that's going to do it for this video. We have done the spray, the boys have done the spray. We know why. My trees are dying over here, it's too much water. But the next video is going to be them laying some actual turf. So pretty exciting stuff ahead. So thanks for watching, hope you like that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.